Hi, I'm Ravinder, your instructor for this no-code development course. To begin, I want to welcome you in. I also want to set some guiding principles which will help you on your no-code development journey, all towards building products with no code. Firstly, welcome. I can't wait to help you build products using no code, as being able to do this is a powerful skill to have. It will impact all areas of your personal and professional life. Secondly, results. I don't believe that longer courses equate to better courses. That's not my style. Hence, everything in this course is designed to get you building as quickly as possible. Finally, structure. We're going to start by diving into the no-code fundamentals, ensuring you have a firm grasp of them. Then we're going to dive into practical projects accompanied by examples, helping you to hone your no-code development skills. The complexity of products we'll be creating will increase by section. I will be guiding you. If you feel you're already well versed in specific no-code development topics, you can skip ahead. You'll find a course route map in this section, helping you to navigate this course. Also, please ensure that you have your Udemy notifications for this course on, as I'll be sending out a regular no-code development newsletter to all of the students on this course. Sticking to the philosophy of this course, which is around getting you building products with no code, let's move on to the resources you'll need in the next lecture. See you there.